The host demonstrates in a friendly way, turning an old pillowcase into reusable snack bags with no sewing. First, cut the fabric into rectangles and seal the edges with fabric glue for a clean, durable finish. Next, label each bag with color codes using markers to keep snacks organized and waste low, while adding a playful touch. Then test durability by packing dry treats, a light splash of water, and a gentle tumble to ensure seams hold. Viewers can personalize with patches, embroidery, or contrasting prints to fit any space and mood.